Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that 2a over b is equal to 1/2, and we're asked to use this to find the value of b over a. So I think the easiest way to go about this is to first cross multiply to get rid of these fractions. So what we do is we multiply the numerator of one by the denominator of another. So you have 2a times 2, and this has to be equal to the denominator of the first one times the numerator of the other one, which is the other two that we haven't multiplied yet, b times 1. So 2 times 2 makes this 4a, and this is equal to b, and we're looking for the value of b over a. So if we divide both sides by a, these a's cancel, we get 4 is equal to b over a, which is what we're looking for. So what's the value of b over a? Well, the value of b over a is 4. So 4 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.